Hello guys, and welcome back. I welcome you back rather to my YouTube channel. This is about Light of Light Empire. Alright, I'm making this video now to deposit into your Roqqu wallet. Alright, how you can from your Roqqu wallet. Alright, I do say, and I've been saying, alright, I use Roqqu. This is not a financial advice, alright. I use Roqqu to buy cryptocurrencies, but I don't save my cryptocurrencies in Roqqu. So what I do is just to buy. It's easier. It's a lot easier and stressless, very stress-free to buy from, Roqqu. It's very stressless. All right. So what I do is I buy from Roqqu and then I transfer to my Trust Wallet on my Binance. So that's where I hold or I hodl my cryptocurrencies. Alright, this is not a financial advice. I'm not advertising for either of the platform, whether Binance or whatever, or Trust Wallet or whatever, and of course not of Roqqu as well. Just telling you. So what I do is just to, because it's a lot easier. I tell you, unlike Trust Wallet is very complicated, very complicated, and most people will find challenges actually doing with Nigerians. There are a lot of challenges trying to buy this, from apps like Binance. But Binance, though there is peer-to-peer transfer and thereabouts, but then I personally do not like it. Alright, so this is the new, as at the time I'm making this video anyway, the updated Roqqu app. Alright, so what am I going to do? I'm going to deposit into my wallet so I can be able to buy, because like I said in one of my videos, this Roqqu wallet, I've been using it for about 3 years, and alright, and in my wallet, because I don't really put wallet, don't put my cryptos there. So once I buy, I transfer, maybe delete 2.0 something, just they're just accumulating to become this. Alright, so quick one, deposits. So what I'm going to do is the top bar, this top bar, I'm going to click on deposit. Alright, so that is right here. I'm going to click on deposit. Alright, so it's going to ask me to select the what's it called, the currency. Like I said, there are a lot of other countries apart from Nigeria. This is why I select the currency. So I'm going to click on Nigeria. So there are other, like Ghana cedis, European euro, British pound sterling, United States dollars. So I'm just going to leave it as Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. So I'm going to type in amount. So let me just do this. Alright, so payment link, you can see there are some that are not available, like bank transfer, mobile money, and card top up. They are unavailable, but there are two that are available: payment link and wallet peer-to-peer. But unfortunately, the payment link, even when you click on it, sorry for this intrusion. So even when you click on it, okay, please wait, let's see if it works. You can see selected route for currency is not enabled. Alright, so then what do? So you click on proceed once again and then click on wallet peer-to-peer. This is very easier than the wallet peer-to-peer that is on apps like Binance. So I'm going to click on Raven. So Raven wallet is a wallet that you can use to send money to your Roqqu wallet for deposit. So I'm going to be doing something. I'll copy. There are two things to copy here. This is the account. This, you copy this. Okay, let me just use an arrow. Okay, we're gonna copy this using that icon. I'm gonna copy this, those two things. That means specifically what we are copying is this and then this. So most times this transaction ID, it's actually permanent for your account. It's the same one that you use over your account. But then this one can change. This can change depending, because it's wallet peer-to-peer anyway, so it can change. And then the time counting and then the amount. Make sure you are transferring the correct amount. You can press C instructions. Step 1 is to copy the Raven username, open the Raven app and send money, and then add the amount you want to transfer, copy the transaction ID from the merchant details and paste into the description narration field on Raven. You have to copy this transaction ID. It's very important that you copy this transaction ID. Alright, it's very important that you copy the transaction ID when you're transferring, so that it's because it's actually one, it's a single transaction ID for your account. So no matter how many transfer, it's the same transaction ID, does not change, but this can change. the Raven username that you're transferring to, it can change. Alright, so always watch. So what I'm going to do is copy the two, but then let me just go back, and because the timer, so I won't run out of time, so I can just go back and do it again. Alright, so you can see the username change. This is another username I'm transferring to, but the transaction ID doesn't change. Alright, so I'm going to copy the two. So I've copied the transaction ID and I've copied the username I'm transferring to. So what I'm going to do is to close this now and then go to my Raven wallet. Like I said earlier, if you want to download Raven to get a bonus for downloading my link is in the description box. You can click on my link to download the Raven wallet using my link, and you get a bonus from the app. Also, you get a bonus from me when you let me know if you have downloaded the. So this is just because I tapped 5 times. So also here you can use it to do many other things like buy data and stuff, but I don't use them. So I only use Roqqu and Raven for those purposes that I stated earlier, to buy cryptocurrencies, and not even to order them or to hold them. Alright, so I'm going to transfer to Raven user, and then so I've copied the two, so I'm going to paste. So this is the what I'm going to paste this is the Chivita, and then I'm going to paste this transaction ID. Okay, this is amount, sorry, this is amount. That's the same amount I put on that place. Alright, so I'm going to paste the transaction ID. So and then click on complete transfer. It's going to ask for me to put my 6-digit pin, or of course use my fingerprint. So I'm going to use my fingerprint, and it's going to be sent. Okay, transfer successfully. So the money has been transferred successfully. So I'm going to go back to my Roqqu wallet right now, and then click on I have paid, because I've actually paid. Alright, so alright, so alright, there's an issue I'm faced with right now, because after paying I can't see that screen again. So the screen has gone, so it's almost like I'm going to do a transfer. So but then in case you encounter such issue, alright, so we're going to, so the same Chivita is going to bring. If it doesn't bring, you have to go back and make sure it's bringing the same Chivita. So it's bringing the same Chivita, and then the transaction ID doesn't change, like I said, and that's the Raven username. So I will click on I have paid. So it's showing. So in case times that it just runs out, or the app has to reload and then doesn't display it again, just go back and deposit. Press the same amount, exactly the same amount, and then make sure you are sending to the same one. It displays the same one that you actually that showed you before. If it doesn't change, you have to redo it until it displays that particular name. Alright, so I'm going to wait for the credit now. So I'm going to pause the video and wait while it gets credited. I'm going to continue. So we are back and our money is credited into the account. So it's as easy as that, right? So when that is done, we have my money. So you can go ahead and buy whatever crypto. So by clicking on this buy, alright, there are cryptos. Alright, you can see cryptos that you can buy. Of course, just the normal way. You just click on whatever you want to buy. So let's just say USDT or whatever. So let me click on buy. Let me say let's buy Electron. So Naira. So you're putting the amount of Naira. So you're going to calculate how many trons you're going to get, and their charges are very okay. Now it's just 2% charges on the tron. So or SHIB, you can buy SHIB, just whatever, I'm telling you, or cake, whatever. So once you just click, you buy, and then that's all really. So of course you can do other things on the Roqqu app too. So I would advise that you get this Roqqu app also through my link to get a bonus for using my link. And also when you send me a message that you have used my link and I've confirmed, I also have a bonus for you. So that is it about Roqqu and how to deposit on Roqqu. So of course your money, you can do anything with your money. You can buy airtime, do a lot of other things on the Roqqu app as well. So Also, you can see you can withdraw your money. Of course, let's say you send beyond for whatever reason. So you can also send your money out. It's just like you can use it for transfer, of course. So let's see.